Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Poshmark how to delete a listing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To delete a listing on Poshmark, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your Poshmark app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is go to your closet. To do it, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your closet. Then scroll through your closet and tap on listing you want to delete. Then tap on the three dot menu in the upper right corner of the listing page. Then select delete listing from the options. Now tap on delete again to confirm the deletion of the selected item. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.